It was, I promised one of the knowledge seekers last night, I show you how to not to depend on the medicine from the pharmaceuticals. And as you know, medicines are becoming short and gradually will become twinkling, and our knowledge has to rise to replace this. And most of the pharmaceuticals products are in a matter state, not understanding the position of it. The way we combine these with the soul of the man, there should be no remedy mankind cannot make for itself. As I always said, we build on the knowledge of the past. We don't destroy the knowledge of the past. Many of you depends on pharmaceutical things that is very advanced. Decades of work has been done for a specific condition, where with putting these medicines in these cups of life, you transfer them into the plasma condition of them, and the knowledge, because of your GAN's top layer having the amino acid, will convert it to the energy which is needed, and if it's needed, and what it needs to adjust within you. And then drink from the cup. And most probably, if your soul agrees with the condition, you'll see remedy. If the change does not come, means the condition is already accepted by the soul. You're trying to change the physicality, and there is a reason for it which will not happen.